Okay, today I will show you how you can get this Ready Player Me feature in your own game or on your map specifically. So here is a press Q to load your personal avatar. So if I press Q, here it gives me some choices like choose your body type, masculine or feminine, or I can sign in with the Ready Player Me and it will give me a pre-saved avatar. So I'll go with the feminine. Okay, continue without a photo. After that, we can select some pre predefined some characters. Okay, if I choose this one. And by the way, this loading screen is completely dependent on your internet. So yeah, if your internet is fast, you will get more faster responses. So I know why this is bright enough. Okay, so there's this skylight. So that does this intensity. I think that's why. Yeah, it's solved. So you can customize everything. So like hair to clothes and everything. So if I change her hair to something red color, let's see how it goes. Okay, it got red, and we can choose everything. Now I go save, continue without sign up. You see, we changed our character in a real time. So if we press Q again, we can change this character again. So now I change her hairstyle to this one. Okay, now we have to just press save, continue with the sign up. It will change our character again. You see? Yeah, she looks pretty. Okay, so yeah, I will close this project. I will create a new one for you. So first you have to go to Unreal Marketplace and you have to search the Ready Player Me avatar and character creator and you have to install it to your preferred engine. So currently it supports to Unreal Engine 5.2 to 5.4. I have already installed in my engine. So okay, I go ahead and launch my Unreal Engine. You can choose 5.2, 5.3 or 5.4, anything would be good. So okay, I will go with a 5.2. I will copy this directory. I will create the project in this directory. Okay, now you have to go to games. I will choose a third person. Okay, quality preset maximum or anything. Okay, RPM test and the directory. Okay, so now you have to create the project. Okay, so this is our project. If I now try to play the game, so it will spawn the default character. So we want to change it to the Ready Player Me. So yeah, how can we do that? So first we have to enable the Ready Player Me plugin. So here's the Ready Player Me plugin. We have to restart. Okay, so it is asking me for a subdomain and my app ID. So what you have to do, go to your browser. Just go to your browser. Ready Player Me Studio. So yeah, if you go to studio.readyplayerme, you will get this subdomain and app ID. So I will get the subdomain and this is my app ID. So yeah, this is my app ID. Then I have to press next. Then yeah, you can tick this or not. This is not mandatory. Then finish setup. Then there is a quick start map. Okay, and that's done. So, oh, Where is our level? Find where is our level? Yeah, here is our third person level. So now what you have to do, just go to the plugins folder. Where's the plugins folder? So plugin contents is here, but where's the plugin folder? Okay, here's the no, this is the engine plugin. I'll search for Ready Player Me. Okay, so it's plugins Ready Player Me content. So Ready Player Me, there's a quick start, there's a map, there's a quick start map. So yeah, you have to go to the quick start map. After that, you go to here and open level blueprint. So here is the level blueprint. So it is just creating some data and calling and pulling something from the API. So we don't have to dig into this. We just have to copy everything without the event begin play. So now I just copy everything. Just a moment. Just take a screenshot of this. Okay. Yeah, just take a screenshot of this section. Okay. Okay. Just make sure to select everything and Control C, copy. After that, go to your map. Okay, you come to your map. Now go to open level blueprint. Okay, now paste everything in here. Just connect the event begin play. Event, where's the event? Yeah, here's the event begin play. Now compile, it will fail. So what you have to do, you have to create some variables in here. So just tick plus this one and create a variable like avatar creator wrapper with widget. Okay, and the class will be wbp rp sorry rpm avatar creator creator wrapper. Yeah, this one, avatar creator wrapper. Change the variable type. It will search where it used. Just close this one. We need another variable called avatar metadata. Avatar metadata. And the class will be same, avatar metadata. So now you just compile. It will compile everything without any errors. Go to your project settings, go to your maps and modes. As the default gameplay mode, go here. Change your default pawn class to like there's a RPM. Yeah, BP RPM character. Yeah, this one BP RPM character. Yeah, BP RPM character. Just change it to this one. Save everything. And now if you try to play, yeah, it will load the shaders. Yeah. Now if you press Q, choose the feminine, continue, and if I choose any of the character like this one, where's our character? Why my internet's too slow? Okay, here is this. So I save, continue without sign up. Yeah, done. Congratulations.